Hi guys, welcome back to BPrep. In this video, we are going to solve a question which was asked in ZAT paper this year. One important formula that we will be using to solve this question is area of segment of the circle. But let's first see the question. Mohanlal, a prosperous farmer, has a square land of side 2 kilometer. So there's a farmer having a square land. So let's say this be the square land of side 2 kilometers. Okay. For the current season, he decides to have some fun. He marks two distinct points on one of the diagonals of the land. Using these points as center, he constructs two circles. Each of these circles falls completely within the land and touches at least two sides of the land. So this farmer has drawn a diagonal on his land and randomly marked 2 points on this diagonal and had a circle. Circles are such that every circle is touching two sides of the land, okay, and they are completely within the land. To his surprise, the radii of both the circles are exactly equal to 2 by 3 kilometer. So if we draw a circle, so let's say this be the point, so the circle will touch these two sides and another circle is here. So if we draw a circle, assuming that to be in center, let's say these are the circles, and there is an overlapping area in which this farmer is doing something. So Mohanlal plants potatoes on the overlapping portion of these circles. Calculate the area in which Mohanlal planted potatoes. So the shaded region is the area where Mohanlal is planting the potatoes. We need to find the area of this region. So first of all, it is given in the question that radii of both the circles is 2 by 3. So if radii is 2 by 3, then dropping a perpendicular from center to both the sides of the land, this will be 2 by 3 and this side will also be 2 by 3 because they are radius. Similarly, for this circle as well, if we draw perpendicular from center to the side and to the another side, then again this is also 2 by 3 and this is also 2 by 3. So now if you see, if I extend this line, this area, this side is already 2 by 3, okay, and this is 2 by 3, so this will also become 2 by 3. Why? Because the total side of this square land is 2 kilometer and it is equally divided into 3 parts. So every part is 2 by 3, okay, which sums up to 2 kilometer. And same thing will happen for other side as well. So if we extend this line, this is already 2 by 3 and this will also become 2 by 3, okay. So if you see, if we extend all these lines, then this entire square can be divided into 9 equal squares with sides 2 by 3, okay. So because we have drawn this figure with hand, it is a bit incorrect, not up to the mark, but if it has been drawn perfectly, the square which is in center, so let's say this is the square which is in center with sides 2 by 3, okay. So the circle, this is radius, this will be center, so let's say this is O and this will also be radius. So circle will be like this, the circle which is drawn at the center O, okay. So this is the central block that we are drawing here for better understanding. Now for a time being, let's forget about the another circle. If you see, the another circle will be like this. I am just drawing a dashed line so we know. So another circle will be like this, okay, and we need to find out the area of this shaded region. So for now, let's forget the another circle which is in black and assume we have just one circle. So I am just wiping it off. And if I draw a line joining these 2 points on this circle, let's name them, this is A and this is B, okay, then this shaded region is the segment of the circle, and to know the area of the segment of the circle, we know we can easily find out the area of this sector of the circle, and if we subtract the area of this triangle, then we'll get the area of segment. And once we get the area of segment of the shaded region, if you multiply that by 2, you will get the other area as well, which is of the second circle. Okay, so next step would be to find out the area of this segment, and we have to multiply that by 2 to get the entire area. That will be our answer. Okay, so the shaded region where potatoes has to be planted is 2 into area of segment. So I am denoting the area of segment by ASG. So ASG will be, area of the segment will be area of sector. So let's say area of sector is ASC. So area of sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB. So from sector area, if we subtract the triangle area, then we'll get the area of segment. Okay, so this is 2 I am just keeping, so in last we won't forget, we have to multiply this by 2. 2 into area of sector. There is a direct formula to find out area of circle, area of sector of the circle, and the formula is pi r square theta by 360 and minus this area of triangle AOB. AOB is a right angle triangle, okay, because this is a square, so this will be right angle triangle. So area of this triangle will be straightforward, half into base into height. In this case, base and height both are 2 by 3. Okay, and in this case, to find out the sector, we need theta. Theta is again 90 degree in this case. Okay, so we can replace theta by 90 degree. So if this is 90, this will be 4. So let's see, it will be 2 into r. Again, radius of this is 2 by 3. So it's pi 4 by 9 into this 4 minus 2 will get 2 by 9. Okay, 4 will get cancelled. 9 we can take common. So this will become 2 by 9 pi minus 2, which is the answer. If you have any questions or doubts, please post in comments, and guys, please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification about the latest videos. Thank you for watching this.